Hey, namaste, I'm Kay, this is Ecstatic Self. In yesterday's video, I taught a healing practice called the Medicine Buddha Mantra, and a little visualization to go with it. But I want to talk a little bit about illness and sickness because it's something that I'm just, kind of fighting off right now. So for me, and again, this is just my perspective, and I don't think this applies to everybody or everyone or everything, but for me, this is how I've come to view sickness. For me, when you're not feeling well, when I'm not feeling well, it means that there's something in my body or my energetic body that's not flowing correctly. That there's some sort of imbalance or something happened that isn't quite right. And if you look at like healing traditions like traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, they talk about like an external force, like a cool wind coming in through your skin and causing that imbalance. In Ayurveda, they might talk about the imbalance coming from lifestyle choices, something you ate, some chemicals, but that there are these influences in our body and in our psyche. And if you look at different spiritual traditions, they might even say, oh, there's psychic forces that can also cause these imbalances. So one of the things I really try to do in myself, whenever I'm not feeling well, is to just kind of really tune within and find where does my vibration or my normal frequency just seem a little out of whack. Where does it feel like there's something going on there? And I just do that by relaxing and sending my mind through my body or through my energy centers or my energetic body. And when I find an area that feels wonky, I breathe. I try to encourage the vibrations to flow and come back to a nice harmonious rhythm. I maybe visualize a rainbow vortex in that area, or visualize a healing deity in that area, and I just silently ask, may all parts come back into perfect fulfillment, perfect balance. May they flow and vibrate in the way they should. Now, this is just a very basic level healing practice, but it can be very effective. And of course, people who are medicine men or women or shamans or energetic healers have much more detailed and robust practices that they can offer. But I think for ourselves, and if we're in the company of someone who doesn't feel very well, this can be a very simple thing that we can do to try and help things move and help things heal. Because ultimately, everything is vibration, right? The little quarks that make up our atoms are just vibrations. Sometimes by retuning our vibrations or consciously asking vibrations to move, we can bring things back into better balance. So just do this with me now, just wherever you're at, just let your mind flow through yourself. You can use your hands as a guide if that's helpful. Let your hands slide near your body and notice if something feels a little bit different. And when you get to that area, just slowly kind of circle above it with your palms. Say, I'd like to invite this area to flow, to resume its optimal frequency. And visualize or harmonize, feel yourself moving into alignment, and then when it feels like it's broken up, good, move down to somewhere else. When you find another place, work there. And take your time, and you can just go through your whole body this way, or go through the body of somebody that you love. It can be a really nice thing as well. So this is just a really simple energetic healing practice. It can be very nice to do. I do it on myself very frequently. It's a nice way to go to bed as well. And then, be patient with yourself. Realize, sometimes you just have to go through a sickness. That's karmic. It's just what your body has to do. And then you just do the best you can. It's not a failure on your part because you got sick. It's just, that's your karma. But hopefully, the more we become more present, more engaged with ourselves, the easier and the better it becomes. The less often we get sick, the more often we're able to just keep ourselves centered. So anyhow, simple healing practice for you today. I hope that's helpful. If you enjoy this, please subscribe. I'm Kay. This is Ecstatic Self. Namaste.